what's up, Josh? Quick demo video for you for your SKIG. I just got this done today. So this install the Proffie V2. There's a lot of stuff going on in the chamber. So these two front rods and the main rod coming down for your crystal, those were made by Phil Ginnis over at Caluminium Customs. And then you got this crystal from Shapeways, made by, I think this was designed by Brittany Montreal. She's active in the Starkiller Saber group. But installed with a CC Sabers LEDs in here. You also have a Shtok Clamp Card that I put in the back there. It's going to be kind of hard to see. You can kind of see it there. It's a 7 pixel clamp card. So that's wired separately. You've got a NeoPixel for your main crystal that's wired separately, and then of course your main blade. 2-button setup. So your front switch is your activation and your back switch is your auxiliary. And then we just get to everything by taking the handle off. So once you get this off, here's your chassis. Just a little bit of force lightning on there, like I like to do. Removable battery setup, so spring side your negative. And then it says Solo Sabers over here for me. And you've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, and then your Proffie board is on top. So your Proffie is a tight snap fit down into the shelf, and there is a copy of your config file on the SD card. I'm using one sound font to demo this to show you what the chamber can do, and then on the stock fonts, your crystal, your clamp card, and your blade will all match because I didn't program those. I took one sound font from Syndicate Sound Fonts, the Starkiller font he's got, and that's what I'm demoing this saber with. So let's throw a battery in this guy real quick. Throw that battery in, then screw the handle on. Everything goes right on. And then that's what I've got your chamber doing when the saber's off. So you've got kind of a pulsing with your crystal, and then that's just a slow scrolling effect until you turn the saber on. So every time you hit auxiliary, you'll get that animation. Crystal's looking good. LEDs in there looking good. Nice smooth swing. We'll throw a blade in here. This guy right here is your blade retention. So you want to make sure to back that up out of your blade socket. So you throw your blade in there, lock it down with this guy. And that's what it's doing when it's on. Blaster bolts. Good flash on clash. Turn it off. Get to your sound fonts by just, or your soundtrack. Hold down power for a second and let go. You can hit the activation while that's playing if you want. And then do the same thing to turn it off. Hold down for 1 second and let go. And then to get to your next soundtrack, just hit auxiliary. Now on these stock fonts, they all just match. Red blade, clamp card, and crystal.
Smooth Jedi. Smooth gray.
We'll do a few more.
Smooth fuzz.
Just a turquoise blade. Everything lit up in your chamber. And one more.
Rogue Commander.
Just a nice solid blue blade. But that's just to demo some of the different things that you can do with this chamber. And then like I said, I left the config file on your SD card so you can see what I did with that first sound font. And you can mimic that or you can make your own. So we'll take the blade out and then unscrew the handle here. Come over here from the positive side by the speaker. You can pull your battery out just like that. And yeah, that's pretty much your saber. Let me know if you got any questions. And if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.